Hi everyone, today we are diving into a powerful caching strategy used in high performance backend systems. Read through caching with Redis. We will cover how it works, how to avoid stale data, and how to structure your cache keys for maximum flexibility. Let's get into it. Here's the basic idea. Whenever a client makes a read request, the system first checks Redis, our fast in-memory cache. If Redis has the data, it returns the result immediately, lightning fast. But what if the cache doesn't have the data? We call that a cache miss. In that case, Redis asks the database for the latest data. Once it gets the result, Redis stores it in memory for future requests, and then it sends the data back to the client. Now let's talk about what happens when data changes. If a call is updated or deleted, the client writes directly to the database. After that, to avoid serving stale data, we invalidate the cache. This means we delete the cache key for that call. For example, call call ID within parentheses. If the call was part of a list like all calls for an organization, we also clear that list from the cache. That's org ID within parentheses calls. Our cache is granular. That means we cache both individual records like a single call by ID and collections like all calls for an organization. Using meaningful keys like call ID and org ID calls lets us control exactly what gets cached and when it's cleared. Finally, we add TTL, time to live, to every cache entry. TTL automatically expires cache entries after a set time, say 1 hour. That way, even if we forget to invalidate something, Redis will eventually remove it, protecting us from serving stale data long term. So to wrap it up, check Redis before going to the database. On a cache miss, fetch from the database and update Redis. After updates or deletes, invalidate the cache, use smart granular cache keys, and always set a TTL to keep your data fresh. This is the heart of read-through caching, and it makes your app faster, more reliable, and scalable. If this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more architecture walkthroughs, and let me know in the comments if you want a live coding demo. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.